Alright, how's it going? I'm Phil Bridges, and today I'm going to show you how to install your cover for your front grille on your diesel truck. It's winter time and it's getting pretty cold, so when we have our truck sitting outside, we want our truck to warm up a lot quicker. So we will cover the grille of the truck with a fabric, so we can boost that engine level temperature and get our truck heated up quicker, and it'll kind of save a little bit on emissions, so our truck's not just sitting there idling trying to get warm. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood, then we're going to grab our cover. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the cover is at a pretty decent temperature. You don't just want to pull it out of your truck when it's ice cold, because this thing needs to stretch a little bit when we're putting it on our grill. So what we're going to do is we're just going to lay it over the front, and it has some clips on top and on the bottom. And what we want to do is we want to clip it on our grill so it latches. So what I always do is I get the middle one, and it clips right here, about right under where your lever is to open up your hood, and then just kind of work your way around to the chrome of the grill. There's a little black clip above the chrome, or a black piece above the chrome, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the clip on there and pop it in place. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're just gonna do the top, go along the top. The front's probably, or the middle's gonna pop out, of course, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go on the side to the bottom, and that's going to clip underneath your grill of the chrome piece on your grill. And you just kind of push your finger in there. You're going to be tugging it and pulling. Just get that clipped underneath. You hear a little snap. Just keep working it along. Till we get all the way at the other end. Alright, so now we got our top and bottom in place. And there's these little flaps. I don't know if you can see them on both ends. There's two flaps. And what you do is you just basically shove them in between the grill and the headlight, and that's just going to kind of help lock this in place. So it stays. So this is what it will look like when it's done. See, this flap here will just slide right in there and just kind of give it a little push, and it'll stay right in place. And then you'll have these little clips. You just clip it on there, and everything will stay right in place. And that's all you do. You just shut your hood, and there you go. Now you have a cover on your grill ready for winter. So when your truck's sitting outside, when you start it, it'll get warmer a lot quicker, and hopefully you're not wasting as much fuel. So that's about it. Philip Bridges, and I hope you guys have a good day, and subscribe down below, like it if you like it, comment if you want to or not. I'll talk to you guys later.